हेलो चेक माइक चेक
आगे ही रहो, लीन फॉरवर्ड ओनली।
इसको पकड़ूं क्या?
रोलिंग।
एट फर्स्ट पबजी ने हमें जो कंट्रोल सेटअप दिया है, इट्स द डिफॉल्ट कंट्रोल सेटअप एज यू कैन सी. You have the shoot button over here, movement peak button, another shoot button over here, proning, crouching, and a target button are over here. So these control as such are not suitable for me. When I started using 3 and 4 finger claw controls, I realized that it is much more dynamic. मुझे ज़्यादा movement and जैसे move and shoot करना है मुझे, and jump and shoot करना है, crouch and shoot करना है, तो it was very easy using 4 and 3 finger controls. So that's the reason मैंने कभी default controls पे practice की नहीं थी. I always preferred using 4 or 3 finger controls. जब से game start किया तब से. So my current control setup is 4 finger claw controls. So as you can see here, I move using my left finger. I look around using my right thumb, and at the same time I jump using my right index finger. So here it is. At the same time I can crouch and look around. So all this at once. Now I'll showcase it to you using a weapon so that you understand how I move and shoot. So I'll use Groza, which has a very high recoil. As you can see, I have Groza in my hand. I'll be using red dot sight on it. So I can use, my right pointer finger to aim and shoot. I can move around and shoot. तो ये देखिए मैं जैसे हिल के मार रहा हूँ. So it helps, 4 finger claw control helps me to move and shoot, jump and shoot, crouch and shoot, peek and shoot, everything. So that's a very good advantage of having 4 finger controls, as सब कुछ एक बार में आप कर सकते हो. बस प्रैक्टिस की ज़रूरत है 4 finger claw control में. तो आप पीक कर सकते हो, आप शूट कर सकते हो, आप जंप एंड शूट कर सकते हो, क्राउच एंड शूट कर सकते हो. सब कुछ आप एक बार में कर सकते हो व्हेन यू हैव 4 finger claw controls. और जैसे राइट थंब से मैं यहाँ पे प्रोन भी कर सकता हूँ एंड reload भी कर सकता हूँ. So all this at once. A person who plays PUBG using 2 fingers, for him it will take at least a week to practice 4 finger claw controls. But with practice he'll get better, and he'll be able to play like me. A little complex one is the 5 finger claw control. So there's a member in Soul Clan, his name is Soul Always. He uses these 5 finger controls. I'll demonstrate it to you. So as you can see, I use this crouch button. I put it over here. He shoots using his left middle finger and crouches at the same time. So this is how he plays. He uses all these 5 fingers to play, and as you can see, while I shoot, it helps us to crouch at the same time while shooting. So just have a look at it. एग्जैक्टली मैंने प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया है तो ऑब्वियसली ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं है, बट ओवेस का बहुत अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस हो गया, एंड ही ऑब्वियसली recommends me to use these controls because these are actually very good. And let's see in the near future if I want to switch to 5 finger, I'll definitely switch, but as of now 4 fingers is the best one that I have in store for me. I use 4 finger claw control on my Asus ROG device too. It's not necessary to have a bigger device to use 4 finger claw controls. You can practice it on a smaller device too, and you can control recoil and everything on a smaller device too. So as you can see, I use 4 finger claw control, and it's almost similar to the ones which are on iPad. I've just changed it, or you can say customized it according to my requirements. As you can see, I have my left thumb to move around, I have my left pointer finger to shoot, and right pointer finger to jump and peek and target. I use my right thumb to crouch, to reload, and to prone. That's it. That's the only difference. Now as you can see, I can move and shoot, and I can jump and shoot. So all these are the advantages when you have 4 finger claw control. You can be much more dynamic than usual than on 2 finger claw controls. I hope you like the tips and tricks given in this video by me. If you like the video, you can drop a like and subscribe to the channel. So it's different for every weapon. Recoil control is higher in some, lower in some, and you have this option Armory in the game where you can check how high is recoil of any particular weapon.